I'm Steve with Absolutely Floor, and I'd like to thank you for checking out our video channel. We've got a lot of exciting new products in the vinyl plank field, particularly a new product out of Germany called Sono, which is a stone composite core. It's 100% waterproof. It has one of the nicest click and scratch-resistant surfaces on the market. It's commercial grade, and there's zero risk of any type of issue with expansion or buckling with the product. You could put this into a cabin over the winter time and no risk of it damaging through like extreme cold if it's in a place like 100 Mile House or something like that, you know, left minus 30-degree temperatures. So really great product for all applications. It looks great. It's all the most modern European designs. We also carry the products from Harbinger. We have both their glue down installation traditional vinyl planks, and we have a lot of the new click vinyl planks with a new core, and they also feature a cork underlay. Cork is one of the best insulator has some of the best insulating properties on the market for both noise reduction and also really high R value. If you're putting it into like a basement area or somewhere that's really cold, perhaps over top of a garage where a draft would come through, this would be an ideal product for you. And then we also feature a lot of products that come in tile patterns, other click lines with acoustic underlay, which are really ideal for if you're in a condo with noise. You know, if you have, if you need soundproofing ratings for strata, any of these ones are going to be exceptionally well at keeping your neighbors below really happy. So thanks again. My name is Steve with Absolutely Floor at Unit 5, 3160 Westwood Street, Port Coquitlam. Our phone number is 604-941-6677. Thanks again.